Welcome to Dad's Unlocked, and today I want to tell you why you should replace your food, all of it, with water. Sounds crazy, right? But this is what's known as a water fast. If you are looking to sort of reset your body, that's one way. You can also institute a lot of healthy mechanisms throughout your body to allow your body to clean up after itself and to allow your insulin levels to stabilize. There are lots of things. I'll go into them in other videos, but this was just a precursor to talking about water fasts and intermittent fasting and fasting in general. So what you can do is go as long as possible with just water, and this is definitely healthy. People have been doing this for eons, forever. So don't think it's unhealthy. Don't think it'll slow your metabolism. It actually raises your metabolism if you do it long enough. And I'll go into that later. But just for now, have that in your head. You can actually replace your food with water, and it's healthy.